Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI. I wanted to tell you about a face sunscreen that I really like. It's by Neutrogena and it is called Age Shield. So this is a serious sunscreen. It is 110 SPF. I don't actually wear this every day, but I do like the coverage that it gives to protect me if I'm going to be out for a while on a really sunny day, and that's when I'll use it. I also like that it's oil-free. It doesn't make me look shiny and sweaty. This doesn't do that, and so I find myself going back to this. You'll notice how easily it comes out here. It is a white cream, and it's pretty thick, but you'll notice how nicely it spreads. Let me just put it on here. I like that it's not leaving huge white marks all over my face. Just rubs it nice and easily. If you're looking for a sunscreen that will really protect you, try the Neutrogena Age Shield Face Sunscreen. It's a great product. I like it. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.